Hey everyone! Welcome back to our series on lesser-known tips for general health care. Many of these will probably surprise you. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Visiting a museum with friends can be good for your health. Studies have shown that socializing and interacting with others can help improve mental and physical well-being. And what better way to do so than by exploring new things together at a museum? Museums offer a great opportunity to learn about different cultures and histories. They can also be a place of relaxation, providing a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And spending time with friends in an enjoyable activity can help reduce stress levels and promote positive emotions. So next time you're looking for something to do with your friends, consider visiting a museum. It just might be good for your health. According to research, listening to the sound of rainfall can help you sleep better and improve your overall health. The sound of rain can help to relax your mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. And finally, the sound of rain can help to lower your heart rate and blood pressure, both of which can contribute to a better night's sleep. Playing cards can be good for your health. They can help improve your memory, concentration, and hand-eye coordination. Playing cards also helps relieve stress and anxiety, and can be a great way to have fun with friends and family. Nerds is a card game that is perfect for people of all ages. It is easy to learn and can be played by anyone. Nerds is a great way to have fun, relieve stress and anxiety, and improve your memory, concentration, and hand-eye coordination. So, if you are looking for a fun game to play, why not try Nerds? Memory games can help moderate stress and anxiety levels. They can also enhance your disposition and overall feeling of wellness. If you're a student, memory games can help improve your grades and academic performance. Memory games can also help enhance blood circulation and heart health and help minimize the risk of dementia. Some studies have proven that people who play memory games have a lower risk of developing dementia.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time!